Hello, friends. It's finally our exam time again, and we've been doing a lot of exams lately, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. The first question here, which one is the hunter of 鸡排? Which one do you think is the right answer? A is 牛排 B 面条 C 鸡排 and D is 鱼排. And the right answer for this question is C, because C is 鸡排. The next question here, which one is the hunter of 薯片? Please try to recall first. A is 沙拉 B is 鸡块 C is 薯片 and D is 汉堡. The correct answer for this question is C, 薯片, because C is 薯片. The next question, which one is the hunter of 小龙虾? Do you guys still remember? A here is 小龙虾 B is 三文鱼 C is 三明治 and D is 冰淇淋. And the right answer for this question is A, because A is 小龙虾. Moving on to the next question. Which one is the hunter of 蛋糕? I will give you time to think. A here is 蛋糕 B is 酸奶 C is 奶酪 and D is 肉丝. 蛋糕 is A. Moving on to the next one. Which one is the hunter of 被子? Do you guys still remember? A is 闹钟 B is 桌子 C is 被子 and D is 椅子. And 被子 is C. And actually it's quite tricky here because it ends with 滋, 词 and 词. And I really want to know if you guys got the right answer for this question or not. The next one here, which one is the hunter of 灯光? If you guys cannot remember, it doesn't matter, just try to guess first. A is 耳机 B is 灯光 C is 音乐 and D is 电影灯光 is B. The next question, which one is the hunter of 门口 A is 瓶子 B 杯子 C 门口 and D is 台阶 and 门口 is C. Moving on to the next question, which one is the hunter of 玩具 I will give you time to think. Please think carefully. A is 玩具 B is 复印 C is 打印 and D is 叉子 So 玩具 here is A. And yeah, that's all for today's exam. And how many questions did you get right? And keep practicing. I will see you guys on our next exam quite soon. And thanks a lot.